Just a little side mission from the swap. The owner wants the wiper motor switched out, and I noticed the wiper linkages they have some play. These are the bushings I'm using, or recommend using now. And the only problem is in this pack there's actually two sizes, and you only use one size, and you need four, so you gotta buy two to do all the bushings in the arms. On the bushings, the ones you'll use are the smaller ones, not the ones with this little nub in the middle. And then get them in, I just push them in with some sockets. And before I remove the old ones, assuming they haven't disintegrated, I put a mark so I know which side I'm going to push it, in from. So I don't want to get them backwards. Alright, there they are, the new bushings there and everything. To install them, I'm going to clean up all the balls and put some grease on them. And these are super tight, so to actually give them a clip on, I use something like this, channel locks, or maybe even a really small C-clamp could do it, but you just need something to really force it on. There it is, all installed. It's nice and tight now. And of course, all but one of these lower windshield trim clips broke. Luckily, you can still buy these on the aftermarket.